Hi everybody, it's me checking in again. This will be a little bit shorter video, but I've noticed in a number of your journal reflections, many of you have research experience in a hard science, biology, marine science, whatever it might be. You also have a lot of experience reading research for various purposes. I want to push you to start thinking about what matters in education research. I noted in the introduction to this module that the notions of validity and reliability are very important. But at the same time, validity and reliability often look like very different things when we're talking about studying, thinking, and learning. So what I encourage you to do is when you're reading research studies, particularly in education, to think about how are they going about establishing validity and reliability. We don't necessarily, or very often do not have quantitative measures attached to things for many of the studies that we do because they're qualitative in nature. So from a qualitative sense, what does reliability look like? What does validity look like? These are questions that I want you to focus on, particularly for those of you who have had experience in research in the hard sciences. I think this is a hard issue to step outside of your previous experience from. And by that I mean you've become established and accustomed to looking at research in a particular way, looking at quantitative measures of validity and reliability. However, we don't necessarily have that same ability when we're looking at studying, thinking, and learning. So we'll revisit this in the coming weeks, but for now, when you're reading articles, think, how are they going about talking about validity and reliability? And why does it necessarily need to look different from what it might look like in a quantitative study?